Amazing general cargo ships that can transport a wide variety of cargo or massive structures around the globe and are fitted with powerful cranes that can lift heavy loads. These are the 10 most impressive general cargo ships in the world. 10. Palmerton. This ship is proudly flying the flag of Antigua and Barbuda. It was crafted in 2009 with exceptional attention to detail in China. Designed for endurance, it can embark on lengthy voyages and transport heavy, oversized cargo with ease. Boasting 2 colossal cranes, each with an astonishing lifting capacity of 450 tons, this ship is a true feat of engineering. It has an impressive measurement of 133 meters in length, 23 meters in width, and a draft of 7 meters, making it a sizable force to be reckoned with. With a gross tonnage of 11,400 tons and a dedicated crew of 16, it is always ready to embark on its next adventure. Propelled by a single engine, with a staggering 8,300 horsepower, it can reach speeds of up to 16 knots. 9. Ual Africa. It flies the flag of the Netherlands. This ship was constructed in the northern region of the country in 2011 with exceptional attention to detail. A multi-purpose marvel, it glides along the captivating west coast of Africa, carrying a diverse array of cargo with incredible efficiency. Fitted with 2 powerful cranes, boasting a remarkable lifting capacity of 60 tons each, with a reach of 28 meters, this vessel is truly impressive. Its measurements are equally awe-inspiring, measuring 119 meters in length, 15 meters in width, and with a draft of 6 meters. With a gross tonnage of 5,500 tons and space for a crew of 12, this vessel is always ready for any challenge. It runs on a single engine, packing a punch with 4,000 horsepower and can reach a speed of up to 13 knots. 8. Happy River Heavy Lift Vessel. This ship was crafted in the southern region of the country and sails under the flag of the Netherlands. With a keen focus on safety, even in the toughest of conditions. Whether quick unloading operations or loading massive structures, this ship is up for any challenge. Measuring an impressive 138 meters in length, 23 meters in width, and with a draft of 9 meters, this vessel is a sizable force to be reckoned with. It has a gross tonnage of 10,900 tons, is equipped with 2 cranes, with a lifting capacity of 40 tons each. It can handle even the heaviest of loads with ease. Powered by a single engine, packing a punch with 11,900 horsepower, it can reach a remarkable speed of up to 16 knots. 7. Symphony C. This high-performance vessel was constructed in the northern region of the Netherlands, and it currently sails under the Dutch flag. The vessel is specifically designed for transporting breakbulk cargo internationally, including goods that are utilized in various industries, such as the construction of offshore wind farms and the installation of pipelines. The vessel boasts impressive dimensions, measuring 123 meters in length and 17 meters in width, and has a draft of 7 meters. With a gross tonnage of 6,700 tons, it is capable of navigating even through icy waters. It is powered by a single engine with a remarkable 4,000 horsepower, enabling it to achieve a maximum speed of 13 knots. 6. UHL Fast Heavy Load Carrier. This is a high-performance vessel hoisting the flag of Madeira. This ship was expertly crafted in China in 2019. Boasting 2 high-capacity cranes, making it a versatile choice for transporting different types of cargo. Whether carrying large structures or even massive ships, this ship is up to the task. Measuring an impressive 150 meters in length, 26 meters in width, and with a draft of 8 meters, this vessel is both impressive and sleek. With a gross tonnage of 16,700 tons, it is designed to carry heavy loads, even over long international routes, ensuring the safety and timely delivery of goods. Powered by a single engine and packing a punch with 7,800 horsepower, it can reach a remarkable speed of up to 15 knots. 5. MICK General Cargo Ship. This ship is designed to transport heavy loads with ease, making it a versatile choice for carrying different types of cargo, such as large structures, bulk cargo, or containers. Measuring an impressive 145 meters in length, 23 meters in width, and with a draft of 8 meters, this vessel is both sleek and powerful. With a gross tonnage of 11,400 tons, it can carry a substantial load while maintaining stability and safety. Equipped with 2 heavy-duty cranes that boast a capacity of 250 tons each, this ship is designed to handle even the heaviest of loads. Powered by a single engine with 6,500 horsepower, it can reach a remarkable speed of up to 45 knots, ensuring timely delivery of cargo. 4. CHIPOLBROK Atlantic. It sails under the Hong Kong flag. This vessel is not only efficient, but also environmentally friendly, designed to transport heavy loads with minimal impact on the environment. It can handle different types of cargo, including large structures, all stored below deck. Measuring an impressive 190 meters in length, 28 meters in width, and with a draft of 10 meters, this ship is a force to be reckoned with. With a gross tonnage of 24,700 tons, it can carry massive loads while maintaining stability and safety. Equipped with 3 cranes, each boasting a capacity of 250 tons, this vessel is ideal for handling heavy loads. Powered by a single engine with 11,300 horsepower, it can reach a maximum speed of 15 knots, making it an ideal choice for fast and efficient transport. 3. SVENJA Heavy Load Carrier. This impressive vessel sails under the esteemed German flag and was crafted in the north of the country back in 2010. A true multi-purpose wonder, it was designed to safely transport heavy loads of dry cargo as well as large structures. With the help of a cutting-edge dynamic positioning system, it can automatically maintain position and enhance offshore operations. Measuring a grand 161 meters in length by 28 meters in width, and with a draft of 9 meters, this ship has a gross tonnage of 15,000 tons. It comes equipped with 2 mighty cranes that boast a jaw-dropping capacity of 1,000 tons each. Powering this ship is a single engine with an impressive 14,400 horsepower, allowing it to reach an impressive speed of 18 knots. 2. Dalian. This remarkable ship sails proudly under the flag of Liberia and was expertly crafted in China back in 2013. It is a true multi-purpose powerhouse, boasting 4 impressive cranes and an expansive below-deck storage capacity of 39,000 cubic meters. Designed to transport various types of cargo, including large structures, this ship measures an impressive 149 meters in length by 23 meters in width and boasts a draft of 11 meters. With a gross tonnage of 14,000 tons, powered by a single engine, packing 14,000 horsepower, it can easily reach a top speed of 16 knots. 1. QIAN. Built in the east of China in 2011, this high-capacity ship is ready to navigate through even the toughest conditions. With the ability to transport large structures and containers, this vessel is designed to meet all your transportation needs. Equipped with not 1, not 2, but 4 cranes, including 2 with a capacity of 320 tons each and 2 with a capacity of 50 tons each, you can rest assured that your cargo will be handled with care. Measuring a whopping 200 meters long by 28 meters wide and with a draft of 11 meters, this ship has a gross tonnage of 24,000 tons. And the best part? There are 4 sister ships of this class, so you can rely on this impressive vessel for all your transportation needs. Powered by an engine with 19,000 horsepower, it can reach a speed of 19 knots. Set sail with confidence on this Chinese-flagged ship. Let me know in the comment section below what vehicle you love to see next. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and tell your friends about it so we can make more like it. Click the subscribe button to see more content like this, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Check out our other videos as well if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.